morning, it's me, Erin Rasmussen, and I am super excited. Mr. Jones asked me to do the proposal for Vibe Lime Flavored Energy Soda. He has been so awesome since he has come to our company, and I am so grateful he's a member of our team. So let's get started. It's time to get your vibe on. This is who we've been marketing in the past, young adult males. But guess what? We will lose our jobs if we do not see a dramatic, radical, intense, and persistent change. Or in other words, what I like to call a drip that will cause our sales to go up. We're going to lose our jobs if we don't increase our sales. So, how will we keep Vibe alive? These were the past ideas that were presented. To target middle school age children to go market a younger age group. And to hold a YouTube contest where they could make videos and have a contest and get them to drink lots of our product. I came up with some new ideas that I'd like to share with you today. More choices. More choices will equal more customers. We can offer all natural, which would be chemical free. And we can offer organic, that would be pesticide free. And gluten free. There's lots of people that require gluten free for their diet. And then we can enhance our regular line of products. Also, I feel we should target an older age market. We should go for the 18 to 34-year-old demographic. And a YouTube contest. I think that would be very beneficial to our company. Why? Look at this chart that was made by Grandview Marketing. All natural is at the top. This is in US billion dollars. In 2014, it was $9.73 billion, and it's just skyrocketing. It keeps going up and up and up. Look at 2025. And all natural is at the top consistently, followed by organic. And those are the two things I feel we should add to our line. Isn't that amazing? Also, the 18 to 34-year-old males. Here's some facts of them. They are millennials. They live with their parents for the first time in history. A lot of them live with their parents, so they have lots of extra money because they don't have to pay rent. And 30% of the TV market, and their population is huge. It's over 75.5 million, and they are the largest consumers of our product by far. They are social. Every day they're on Facebook. They tweet at least once every day. And YouTube is more popular to them than cable. We need more consumers to get their vibe on. Advertising. Vibrant everything. I feel we should have vibrant colors, vibrant images, and vibrant fonts. Our theme. I feel our theme should be extreme, like mountain climbing. Here's a list of a whole bunch of other really neat things that are extreme. Scuba diving, wingsuit flying, big wave surfing, bull running. How more exciting and extreme can you get than that? I feel YouTube commercial is a fantastic idea. I feel we should have it annually so that we keep regenerating income and people keep coming back every year. I feel it should be a 30-second extreme commercial, and the grand prize should be cash and sponsored by lots of individuals so that we'll have a very successful contest. So how are we going to do this? I feel we need 3 teams. We need the market research team that can gather and analyze data on consumers and our competitors. We need the public relations team so they can protect, enhance, and build our reputation through the media. Lastly, we need the creative services team through copywriters and designers and artists that will ensure everything is presentable. We'll make sure everything looks super fancy. I know together everyone achieves more. And together we will take Vibe to the top. Thank you so much for your time. This is Erin Rasmussen, and I'm so grateful that I had this opportunity. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.